How to see block list in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your block list on Snapchat in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and here under the account action there you can see the option labeled as blocked users. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. And now here to unblock someone, then you can simply tap on the X button next to their name and they will be unblocked from your Snapchat account. And that's it. That's how you can see your block list on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.